right, hello, welcome back to Life and Tacos. And why not? I love life and I love all types of tacos. So we're back. Shoot another install video today. Today it's up on the table. Going on this 2017 Tacoma. A new roof rack. So with the stock roof rack. I looked into the Prinsu, and there's another one that looks like a Prinsu but isn't. I like them. I thought I didn't need to hold out that weight. And let's face it, the stock one is, does real good if you go camping, if you blow dryers. And for me, I just need it occasionally when I want to put like long pieces of wood. I want to do work here at the house. Just don't want it on the roof anymore. I looked into getting the roof wrapped, but I was like, man, I want a lot of money for just wrapping the roof. All the places I went to, I had places quoting me $500 for just the roof wrap. So I was like, all right, let's see what I can get into. So I like the stock rack. I like the way it looks. We're going to give it a shot and see how it works. For me, I feel like it works. I won't need all this heavy weight up on the roof. So like I said, it's mainly for when I pick up large pieces of wood at the local stores, at the lumber yard, so that I can bring them home easily. So I went with the pretty much stock type of aftermarket, but not the factory one, not from the dealer. So Amazon purchase. I'll put a link. We're gonna get into it, see what's in the box, and see how the install goes. There's our new little mini tripod. We're gonna try to get that one some action today and see how it works. All right, let's get into this box. Gonna come up here, kind of look, see these rubber pieces. They need to come off. Just kind of pull right off. Yeah. And just gonna pop right off. Come right off, just like that. This one, come back this way here. Pop this one. Just like that. Boom. Nice and simple. By the way, side steps working out great for this. Come over here. Same thing. Come in here. Pop. Easier. This way. You're gonna pop that off. I'm gonna leave it there. Come this way. Pop this whole thing off. There. You got your rubber strips. All right, so here we are. I'm gonna knock out the driver's side, and if you can see this right here, it's just a piece of rubber tape that they taped over. Some people are gonna tell you to get rid of it. I am not. I'm gonna tell you to just kind of push in here and get the indentations, find the screw holes, and go ahead and make 2 cuts like an X. There you go. There you go, and there you go, and you're gonna follow that down. Right here, there's another one here. It's one here in the center. Boom. Boom. And you're gonna follow it down to right here and do the same thing. So you got one there, and boom, and boom. So now your holes are all set up. Right back here, you got this tape right here, so you're gonna want to get rid of all of this tape. So you're gonna put some new stuff down. So tape is good, should come off pretty easily. It's got rubber adhesive tape. Nice. I recommend wiping this down. New tape is gonna come here. Alright, so we're going to just pop this bracket in there. I want to share with you about washers in case you're not hugely familiar with washers. So they have two sides, a round side and a flat side. You see that kind of bevel and then flat. So what you want to do is flat side's always down. So bracket is kind of loosely just sitting here. This first one's going in, no washer. This little spot here is a little too tight for the washers that they supply. So run these small ones through here. And done. That is in nicely. So here she is, rack installed. I'll get a little shot from out here. I like it. I like it. It looks good. Get a little shot from the front. You guys can kind of see what it looks like from the front there. And awesome. Little shot from the rear. Alright. Doesn't look bad, guys. Looks pretty good. Looks like it fit pretty tightly. So, here we are. Install was about, again, right at around a half hour. A little bit of trouble with the back 3 screws. They're just not lining up great, but after a little finagling and massaging, it went through. Nothing that isn't expected with a product like this. All in all, it looked good. Install was pretty easy. 1 through 10, it's 2, so should work fine. I'll give a review in like a month, see how I feel. Hope you guys enjoyed the video. If you want to see any more, let me know what you want to see. I'll put a link to the rack. Went on pretty easy. See if it does what it's supposed to do. I'll put up a couple still shots of it so you can kind of see it up close, but I think it looks good. You guys let me know what you think. Have a good one, all right?